LGBT-free zones, including 5 voivodeships encompassing about a third of the country, have adopted resolutions which have led to them being called LGBT-free zones. Most of the adopted resolutions are lobbied for by an ultra-conservative Catholic organization, Ordo Iuris. While unenforceable and primarily symbolic, the declarations represent an attempt to stigmatize LGBT people. The Economist considers the zones a legally meaningless gimmick with the practical effect of declaring open season on gay people. In a December 2020 report, the Council of Europe Commissioner for Human Rights stated that, far from being merely words on paper, these declarations and charters directly impact the lives of LGBTI people in Poland. On 18 December 2019, the European Parliament voted 463 to 107 to condemn the more than 80 such zones in Poland. In July 2020, the voivodeship administrative courts in Gliwice and Radom ruled that the LGBT ideology-free zones, established by the local authorities in Istebna and Kłodzimierz respectively, are null and void, stressing that they violate the constitution and are discriminatory against members of the LGBT community living in those counties. Since July 2020, the European Union has denied funding from the Structural Funds and Cohesion Fund to municipalities that have adopted LGBT-free declarations, which are in violation of the EU Charter of Fundamental Rights. Poland is the only member state to have an opt-out from the Charter of Fundamental Rights, which it had signed upon its accession to the EU in 2004. In addition, several European sister cities have frozen their partnerships with the Polish municipalities in question, due to its violation of European law, including Article 2 of the Treaty on European Union. These zones are considered part of the Polish rule of law crisis. In February 2019, Warsaw's Liberal Mayor Rafał Trzaskowski signed a declaration supporting LGBTQ rights and announced his intention to follow World Health Organization guidelines and integrate LGBT issues into the Warsaw school system sex education curricula. Law and justice politicians objected to the program, saying it would sexualize children. PiS party leader Jarosław Kaczyński responded to the declaration, calling LGBT rights an import that threatens Poland. According to the Daily Telegraph, the declaration enraged and galvanized conservative politicians and conservative media in Poland. The LGBT-free zone declarations emerging as a reaction to the Warsaw Declaration. The British newspaper further argues that the conservative establishment is fearful of a liberal transition that may erode the Catholic Church's power in Poland, like the transition around the Irish Church. Decreasing church attendance, rising secularization, and sexual abuse scandals have put pressure on the conservative position. In May 2019, Polish police arrested civil rights activist Elżbieta Podlesna for putting up posters of the Black Madonna of Czestochowa with the halo-painted rainbow colors for the charge of offending religious sentiment, which is illegal in Poland. 2 weeks prior to the 2019 European Parliament election, a documentary on child sex abuse in the church was released online. It was expected to hurt the church-aligned PiS electorally, and was responded to by PiS leader Kaczyński speaking heatedly of the Polish nation and children as being under attack by deviant foreign ideas, which led conservative voters to rally around PiS. According to feminist scholar Agnieszka Graf, the attack on LGBT was triggered by the declaration. But that was just a welcome excuse, as PiS sought to woo the rural traditional demographic and needed a scapegoat to replace migrants. In August 2019, the Archbishop of Krakow, Marek Jedrzejewski, said, LGBT ideology was like a rainbow plague, in a sermon commemorating the Warsaw Uprising. Not long after, a drag queen simulated Jedrzejewski's murder on stage, stirring controversy. As of 2019, being openly gay in Poland's small towns and rural areas, increasing physical and mental fortitude due to the efforts of Polish authorities in the Catholic Church. According to the Daily Telegraph, public perceptions, however, have been becoming more tolerant of gay people, In 2001, the 41% of polls surveyed stating that being gay wasn't normal and shouldn't be tolerated dropped to 24% in 2017. And the 5% who said being gay was normal in 2001 had grown to 16% in 2017. LGBT-free zone motions refer to resolutions passed by some of Polish gminers who declared themselves free from LGBT ideology in reaction to the Warsaw Declaration. While unenforceable, activists say the declared zones represent attempts to exclude the LGBT community and called the declarations a statement saying that a specific kind of people is not welcome there. The two documents declared by municipalities were a local government charter of the rights of the family and a resolute